Ever wondered why it's so hard to stay focused? In today's fast-paced world, maintaining concentration can feel like an uphill battle. Whether it's at work, in studies, or during daily tasks, the ability to focus profoundly impacts productivity and overall quality of life. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all but is often overlooked: the elusive nature of focus. Are you constantly finding yourself distracted, unable to complete tasks efficiently, or simply feeling like your brain is in a fog? Well, you're not alone. Many face these challenges, often without knowing why. In this video, we will uncover 10 unexpected reasons that might be sabotaging your focus. More importantly, we'll share practical solutions to help you overcome these barriers. From the chaos of multitasking to the subtle impacts of dehydration, we will explore how these factors intertwine with our ability to concentrate. If you're ready to transform your focus, keep watching as we dive into these unexpected reasons and their solutions. Hi everyone, welcome to MindBlend. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep your concentration sharp, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the secrets that might be sapping your focus, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribing will keep you connected with all our latest tips and tricks that can transform your day-to-day productivity. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on these enlightening insights. Now, let's unveil these mysterious focus stealers. First up, multitasking. It might make you feel productive, but let's peel back the layers on that belief. Ever found yourself juggling an email, a phone call, and a looming deadline all at once? It feels like you're conquering the world, right? But here's the twist. While you think you're getting more done, the quality and efficiency of your work could be taking a nosedive. The truth is, our brains aren't wired to handle multiple tasks at once effectively. Instead, they switch from one task to another, which can lead to what's known as task switching fatigue. This not only slows you down, but also increases the likelihood of errors. Research has shown that multitasking can reduce productivity by as much as 40%. It's like trying to cook, clean, and dance all at the same time. Something's bound to burn, or you'll end up tripping over your own feet. So try focusing on one task at a time. Your brain will thank you. Next, let's talk about your workspace. Picture this: stacks of papers, tangled cables, and a mishmash of office supplies. It might seem harmless, but this visual chaos is actually a major player in the game of distraction. Why? Because every item out of place whispers for your attention, pulling your mind away from the task at hand. When your environment is cluttered, your brain tries to process all of these stimuli at once. This not only slows down your cognitive functions, but also ramps up your stress levels. Think of your mind like a computer. Too many open tabs can significantly slow it down. A cluttered desk is just like having dozens of unnecessary tabs open in your brain. Studies have shown that reducing clutter in your workspace can sharpen focus and increase productivity. The act of organizing your space can also be incredibly calming, providing a mental refresh that's as beneficial as it is necessary. A tidy space equals a focused mind. Time to declutter. Now, consider your digital environment. Our world has become increasingly connected, and while this has numerous benefits, it also comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to maintaining focus. Smartphones, social media, and the constant barrage of email notifications can significantly distract us from the task at hand. Studies have shown that the average person checks their phone about 85 times a day. Imagine how this constant interruption can fracture concentration and reduce productivity. Each ping or buzz pulls our attention away, making it harder to regain our focus and continue with our original tasks. Social media platforms are designed to be addictive. They capture our attention with endless scrolls of content, keeping us engaged far longer than intended. This not only eats into our time, but also scatters our cognitive resources. Turning off notifications or scheduling tech breaks can drastically improve your focus. By controlling when and how you interact with your digital devices, you reclaim the driver's seat of your attention and enhance your ability to concentrate on what truly matters. Ever felt foggy after a poor night's sleep? It's not just your body that feels sluggish, your brain does too. When we miss out on good sleep, it's like depriving our brain of essential maintenance. Just think about it. Sleep is the time when our brain sorts and stores information, repairs neuronal damage, and rejuvenates itself for the next day. Lack of quality sleep directly impacts our cognitive functions, particularly our ability to focus and process information. Research shows that people who consistently sleep between 7 to 9 hours perform better on tasks requiring concentration and decision-making. On the flip side, less sleep leads to a scattered brain, prone to distractions, and less efficient at problem-solving. So, if your focus is fading and your productivity is plummeting, take a closer look at your sleep habits. Establish a soothing bedtime routine, keep your bedroom dark and cool, and aim for those golden 7 to 9 hours of rest. Prioritize your sleep to sharpen your focus. What did you have for breakfast today? It might seem like a simple question, but your answer could reveal a lot about your ability to focus throughout the day. Hunger and dehydration are not just physical discomforts. They are also significant distractions that can impair cognitive performance. When your stomach is growling, it's hard to concentrate on anything else. The body needs a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally, and the brain is no exception. Skipping meals can lead to decreased focus, reduced energy, and poorer memory. Likewise, dehydration can lead to difficulty in concentrating, fatigue, and even headaches. To keep your mind sharp, it's crucial to nourish it just as you would any other part of your body. Eating regular, nutritious meals and keeping hydrated are simple yet effective strategies. A balanced diet supports sustained mental energy, while water keeps the cognitive processes running smoothly. So, to enhance your focus, keep snacks handy and a water bottle closer. When was the last time you moved? It's a simple question, but it can reveal a lot about why you might be struggling to focus. Physical activity isn't just about staying fit. It's also crucial for maintaining mental clarity. When you move, your body pumps more oxygen to your brain, releases chemicals like endorphins that boost your mood, and helps ward off the fog of fatigue that can cloud your thinking. Now, incorporating more movement into your day doesn't necessarily mean hitting the gym for an hour-long workout. There are simpler, more manageable ways to get active. Try setting a timer to remind yourself to stand up and stretch every hour. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Or how about a brief walk during your lunch break? These small actions can significantly enhance your ability to concentrate and process information. Remember, the goal is to keep your body slightly more active than usual. Even minimal increases in physical activity can lead to substantial improvements in focus. A short walk or stretch can do wonders for your focus. Feeling overwhelmed? It's a common sensation in today's fast-paced world, where stress seems as frequent as the ticking of a clock. Stress isn't just a temporary annoyance, it gnaws away at your mental energy, leaving you too frazzled to focus on what truly matters. Imagine stress as a browser with too many tabs open, each one vying for your attention. It's hard to concentrate on one task when your mental energy is being pulled in a multitude of directions. This constant state of mental tug-of-war can significantly diminish your ability to focus and produce quality work. But there's hope. Managing stress is about finding balance through techniques that resonate with you. Meditation, for instance, can act as a mental reset button, clearing out the clutter and restoring your focus. Engaging in hobbies that you love can also serve as a wonderful distraction, giving your mind a much-needed break. Managing stress is not just good for your health, it's great for your focus too. Setting the bar too high? It's a common trap. Setting goals that are more like sky-high dreams than achievable milestones. When goals are unrealistic, they can become sources of frustration rather than inspiration. The result? A scattered focus and a mounting sense of defeat. Imagine aiming to become a concert pianist in 1 month without any prior experience. It sounds absurd, right? That's because the goal isn't just ambitious, it's unrealistic. This type of goal setting sets the stage for failure, leading to disappointment and a significant drop in focus and motivation. Instead, embracing the SMART framework can transform this. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting goals that fit these criteria, the path becomes clearer and much more manageable. For instance, aiming to learn a simple piano piece in 1 month is a SMART goal. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your interests, and time-bound. Achievable goals keep you motivated and focused, not interested in what you're doing. It's a common scenario, isn't it? You're stuck on a task, your eyes glaze over, and no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to muster the enthusiasm to keep going. This lack of interest isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a major roadblock to maintaining focus. When we don't find a task engaging, our brain doesn't prioritize it, our thoughts wander, and productivity plummets. So what can be done? First, it's crucial to identify even the smallest element of the task that might spark your interest. Perhaps it's the challenge it presents, or the opportunity to learn something new. Alternatively, changing your approach can also reignite your interest. If you usually tackle a task in a linear fashion, try mixing it up. Start from the end and work backwards, or incorporate a new tool or method. Sometimes, all it takes is a slight shift in perspective to see a tedious task in a new light. Find your angle, and you'll find your focus. We've uncovered some surprising thieves of focus today. From the chaos of multitasking to the subtle impact of clutter, each element we've discussed plays a significant role in diverting our attention from what truly matters. Remember, simplifying your tasks and keeping your environment tidy can make a huge difference. Digital distractions are everywhere, but by setting boundaries with technology, you can reclaim your concentration. And let's not forget the basics. Adequate sleep, proper hydration, and regular meals are foundational to maintaining sharp focus. Physical activity isn't just good for the body, it revitalizes the mind too. Incorporating even short bursts of exercise into your day can boost your mental clarity. Also, managing stress and setting realistic goals are crucial steps toward a more focused and fulfilling life. Finally, always pursue interests that ignite your passion. Enthusiasm naturally enhances focus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who might find it helpful. See you in the next video.